before I get this installed, thought I'd make a real quick little video. This is the Orion XTR 2500.2 focus, and here's the specs. 14.4, 750 watts RMS by 2, 1250 by 2 at 2 ohms, 4 ohm bridge, 2500 by 1 by Uno. These come with a birth sheet, which I don't think a lot of companies really do nowadays, but this is one channel at 2 ohms. 1353. These are checked on the SMD 81 amp dyno. I know a lot of people don't like them. They say they're bullshit. Whatever. I don't care. But this is a class AB amp, as you'll see on the box. Right there, 2 channel. Pretty big 2 channel. So that is going to be feeding my 4/8s in my doors. Obviously 2 there, 2 there. We've got a 750 by 2. It's going to be feeding my tweeters on each side over here. And the Shakaho. Nothing's changed back here. Still got the 6 CV418s, NSV2 coils, Rev 2 soft parts. Still got all the blood and gore, and still got Splinter hanging out over there. And over here, sunlight. Look at the mud pit, yay. Okay, that's where they're going to be going in at. Oh, lighting's not all that great, but the 700.2 is down here, tucked away, nice and neat. I know I got a fucking light somewhere. Here it is. There we go. So that's 700.2. It puts out like 402. I got the birth sheet somewhere. 2 ohms per channel. So I had the 2 PPIs right there in the middle. Sorry, I had one up there and one right there. Right where the distribution blocks are is where the I believe where I'm going to mount the 2500.2, so it will be closer by the time I close the door. I can just roll my window down and it'll be fairly close. Boy, I got the fucking shakes. But yeah, so there's that. What I do with the birth sheet. Maybe it's still in here. Don't mind the trashed ass garage. I